How to fix not receiving MMS messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, clear app cache and data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on messages, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, messages data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix not receiving MMS messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.